In the colourful coral reef, a small blue fish named Finn swam playfully between seaweed and Bubbles. His best friend, a cheerful yellow fish named Bubbles, swam beside him. Bubbles warned Finn about the dangers of wandering too far, but Finn was captivated by the mysterious glow in the distance, hinting at adventures yet to be discovered. They both approached the edge of the coral reef, where the lively colours slowly faded into the deep blue waters. The mysterious cave ahead shimmered enticingly, sparking curiosity in their hearts, despite the lurking danger that awaited. Finn turned to Bubbles with a spark of excitement in his eyes, eager to explore the uncharted cave. Bubbles, however, hesitated, his worries about the dangers of the deep sea weighing heavily on him, creating a tension between adventure and caution. Finn, too curious to resist, swam toward the cave. Bubbles hesitated, then followed nervously. Inside, the walls glowed with beautiful blue light, and tiny jellyfish floated like lanterns. Suddenly, a dark shadow moved. Bubbles gasped. "We should leave," Finn whispered. "Wait, I think I see something." A giant octopus with shimmering tentacles emerged from the darkness. The giant octopus, with its iridescent tentacles curling in the water, loomed large in the cave, casting an imposing yet mesmerizing presence over Finn and Bubbles. Finn and Bubbles gazed in awe at the giant octopus, the vibrant blue light illuminating their faces as they stood frozen with a mix of fear and fascination. The giant octopus unfurled its tentacles gracefully, revealing its intricate patterns, while its large, curious eyes focused on Finn and Bubbles. Finn and Bubbles started to swim backward cautiously, the cave walls shimmering in the background and the giant octopus moving closer, its tentacles flowing like silk. Finn and Bubbles trembled, expecting danger, but the octopus named Luna smiled kindly. "Luna are visitors. Few fish dare to explore my glowing cave." "Finn, we thought it was scary, but it's beautiful." Luna laughs. "The glow comes from special crystals. Would you like to see something magical?" She waved a tentacle and the crystals sparkled, making the whole cave glow like a starry sky. As the enchanting lights flicker around them, Finn exclaims, "This is the best adventure ever!" Bubbles chimes in, "I never knew caves could be this fun." Luna invites them, "Come see what else my cave holds." Finn gasps, "Wow, look at all the treasures!" Luna smiles and says, "These pearls hold stories of the ocean. Would you like to hear one?" Finn replies, "Yes, please, we want to hear everything." Luna starts. "Long ago in these very waters, there was a treasure that brought together all sea creatures." Luna continues, "It was said to grant any wish connecting fish, octopuses, and all ocean life as one." Finn exclaims, "I wish we could see that treasure." Luna replies, "The treasure is not just gold or pearls, but the friendships we make along the way." As Finn and Bubbles swam back through the reef, they proudly showed off their glowing pearl to other fish who watched in awe. The reef community celebrated Finn and Bubbles' bravery, gathering around them in excitement, as colourful fish swirled and shimmering sea plants swayed gently in the water. Finn and Bubbles were amazed. They realised that the stories about the cave being dangerous were wrong. Bubbles said, "Finn, you were right. This is the most amazing place ever," Finn replied. "And Luna is our new friend." Luna gave them a glowing pearl as a gift and guided them back home. From that day on, Finn and Bubbles were known as the bravest fish in the reef, and they had a magical friend in the deep sea. The moral of the story is that curiosity leads to discovery, and sometimes the scariest places hide the most beautiful surprises. Finn and Bubbles sat together on a rock, eagerly sharing stories of their adventure with a group of intrigued fish who were captivated by their tales. The glowing pearl rested beside them, reflecting vibrant colours from the soft light of the underwater cave, reminding everyone of the wonders they had discovered.